Welcome back to the next video. Now, 4 videos we discussed, and in that one, altogether 20 questions are there. In fifth video, we are taking 5 more questions. First question from this one. Given C is equal to A cross B and D is equal to B cross A, what is the angle between C and D? See that. This is the question number 20. First, suppose C is equal to A cross B and D is equal to B cross A. We know this one. Vector product is not commutative. It means that A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. This is vector A, this is vector B. If this is vector A, this is vector B, this is angle theta. If it is A cross B, then it becomes B cross A. So angle between them is pi. When C is equal to A cross D and D is equal to B cross A, angle between them is 180. Next question. Given R is equal to A plus B and R is equal to A, which is equal to B, the angle between A and B is equal to. Question number 22. It is given that R is equal to A plus B. It means that R, A and B are the sides of the same triangle. Suppose this is A, this is B, then this becomes R. A plus B is equal to R. Another thing, all these three sides are equal. Another condition is given that R is equal to A, which is equal to B. It means these angles are also equal. If these angles are equal, this theta will be equal to pi by 6, or which is equal to 60. Not pi by 6, pi by 3, which is equal to 60. It becomes this theta, all these are equal, so theta becomes 60. Next one. A vector A has a magnitude of 5 units and B has a magnitude of 6 units, and cross product of A and B has a magnitude 15 units. The angle between A and B is. There is a vector A, magnitude 5. There is a vector B, magnitude 15. A cross B has a magnitude which is also given. So, the given things in this one, vector A has a magnitude 5 units. A, magnitude of A is equal to 5. There is vector B, magnitude of B is equal to 6. Then A cross B, magnitude is 15 units. Then angle between A and B is asked. We know that A cross B is equal to AB sine theta n cap. This is magnitude of A cross B, which is equal to AB sine theta. So AB sine theta is given as 15. Therefore, sine theta is equal to magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, which is equal to 15, 5 and 6, which is 15 by 30, it's a half. Sine theta is equal to half, theta is equal to 30 degree. Angle between them is equal to 30. Next question. Question number 25. If A is equal to I plus 2k, if A is equal to I plus 2k and B is equal to j minus k, then A cross B is equal to. Two vectors are given, A is equal to and B is equal to, and A cross B is asked. Vector A is equal to value of vector A is equal to I plus 2k. Vector A is equal to I plus 2k. This vector we can write it as I plus 0j plus 2k. If j is absent, we can take its 0. Then B is equal to j minus k, so which is equal to 0I plus j minus k. This is again, and it's A cross B is asked. What is A cross B? A cross B is equal to I j k. 1 0 2 0 1 minus 1, which is equal to I 0 minus 2. Middle sign is minus. Minus 1 minus 0 plus k 1 minus 0. That becomes minus 2I plus j plus k. This is A cross B. When two vectors are given and if j is absent, its a coefficient is taken as 0. Now similar way we can extend it, this cross product, to find out some particular. So vector is applied in rotational motion. There are, already we know relations are there. V is equal to omega r. On the basis of that one, we will take one problem. What is the value of linear velocity if omega is equal to 3I minus 4j plus k and r is equal to 5I minus 6j plus 6k? Value of linear velocity is asked. We know that velocity is equal to omega into r. But all these three are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, linear velocity is omega cross r. It is. If they are perpendicular, then we can express them in terms of omega. Omega is given as that is 3I minus j, 3I minus 4j plus k. R is given as r is equal to 5I minus 6j plus 6k. B is omega cross r. So B is equal to I j k. 3 minus 4 1, 5 minus 6 6. Therefore B is equal to I minus 24 minus 6 plus 6. Middle sign is minus. Minus 18. It is not minus 18. Plus 18 minus 5 plus k. This from here we go from here. Minus 18 plus 20. That is minus 20 will become as a plus 20. So it becomes minus 18I. Here it is minus 13j. There it becomes plus 2k. V is equal to minus 18I minus 13j plus 2k.